Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review a baby monitor that's packed with smart features for modern parents, whether you're at home, at work, or traveling. Let's dive into the box. See what we get. So on the top here you have the manual. Right off the bat, we've got the actual video unit and then the camera right here, power cords, one for the camera, one for the screen, one adapter for the camera, one adapter for the screen. There is a little mount in here as well. Screws and things like that to put the mount on the wall or wherever you need it. So we're going to put the mount to the side because I'm not going to need to mount it right now. As far as the cables, these are USB-C to USB-A cables. So if you have some of these, you can use those, but these are going to be lengthier cables so that you can have a outlet far away and still be able to connect. The camera has a sleek modern design, and this handheld monitor feels solid with a big screen. This monitor will rotate essentially a full 360 degrees with 355 degrees, what they say, and then a 67 degrees tilt. So you'll get complete coverage of your baby's room. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in for the first time and show you how it works. And the back here is where the USB-C insert is. And then there's a power button right next to, or a reset button right next to it. You can see the longer cable is quite long, looks like about 10 feet long. And then you have the shorter cable for the actual screen unit. As far as the screen, the charging port is on the side here. You can plug it in here. All right, let's turn on the monitor for the first time. I'm going to press and hold the power button here. And it's turning on. So now let's talk about what makes this monitor a real game changer. So it has 2K HD resolution and 4x zoom. This thing delivers crisp 2K visuals, and you can even zoom in to see your baby breathing. And yes, you have night vision. Motion and sound detection, so it will notify you when there's motion, as well as sound. And it works in two modes. You can use it with the screen as well as Wi-Fi on your phone, so you can download the app and be able to watch your baby on the phone, or you can have the screen. And the screen is actually pretty amazing. You can buy 3 more units of these cameras, and you can have 4 cameras on one screen, split screen into 4. So you can use this same screen for up to 4 monitors. So that's pretty awesome as well. And of course, privacy. There's local storage and privacy mode, so your data stays yours. Okay, so now that I have the monitor turned on, essentially you can see this monitor can be Okay, now that I have the screen turned on, it's given me a sound alert because there is obviously sound alerts as well as motion alerts. Let's go ahead and go to the menu and look to the different options. So you have the alerts. Let's go ahead and turn off the sound alert for now, just because we're making this video. And you can actually set the sensitivity for every alert. So we're going to go ahead and turn off the sound alert. There's two-way talking, so actually I can hit this mic and talk to the baby. And as you can see, the feedback. There's a nice speaker on the camera itself. So this is the camera right here. There's a little antenna on it. And then let's go ahead and go to the different menu settings. So you have the monitor mode, so you can change it to voice only mode or both audio visual mode or work mode. There's different settings you can go through there. Alerts, you can change the sensitivity or turn them off and on. Temperature, motion, things like that. So you have a low temp alert as well as a high temp alert, and you can change the degrees that is at. You can actually play lullabies directly onto your monitor. So let's go ahead and click camera 1, and then we'll play that first lullaby. So there you go. And you can increase the volume of the lullaby as well. So and you can easily change the lullaby you're playing to. There's 6 different options here, or you can set it to play all 6 continuously. To pause, you just go back onto the lullaby you were playing and just click the button again. On the monitor itself, you can actually play white noise. So let's say we're playing this one, and then I'm going to turn up the volume on the monitor. So there's 6 different white noises you can play as well. All right, what else is in the settings here? So we can have the timer set up. You can have other settings that you can change in the camera, such as the display mode, the video screen settings. Let's see what that is. So you can have the 4 monitors. You can rotate the visual. So if you have the camera hanging upside down, you can have it rotated so it makes sense to you. Display mode, you can change it to multiple split screens. You can pair up to 4 cameras on this, which is pretty awesome. If you on the top here, you have the volume button as well as the zoom button. So let's go ahead and see how the zoom button works. So I'm going to put it right here. You can see it's 4x. That looks pretty good. This is 1x. So yeah, zooms pretty well as well. The screen is super high quality. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it looks really great. To my naked eye, it looks really good. I'm gonna put this in the cabinet and see how it looks in the cabinet. So to test out the night mode. So you have this cabinet, and there's a essential oil diffuser in there, and you can tell even when I turn on the camera, turn off the cabinet, it takes a second, but you can see the night mode kicking in. And then when you turn on the lights or when it gets bright, it takes a couple of seconds, but as soon as the camera detects bright light, you can get your color back. There you go. It takes just a few seconds. So night mode works really well as well. I'm actually pretty impressed with the quality of the video here. I can see all my beard hair in the camera, so I'm sure for a baby it's going to be perfect as far as you can tell that they're breathing and all that stuff. So on the top here, you have the temperature monitoring. It's at 74 degrees Fahrenheit. You can have the high temperature alerts. If it gets too warm in your baby's room, it'll notify you. I like that you can just put the screen to sleep so easily by just pressing the power button, and you click it back on and it turns right back on. And so it saves battery. The screen itself has over 5,000 amp hour milliamp hour battery. So you can walk it around the house and it'll last 2 hours without having to run around and plug it in. Of course, if you're traveling, you can have the camera unit on your baby, and you can be out in the hallway of your hotel or downstairs if you're hanging out with family, and you can still keep an eye on your baby without being plugged in all the time. So whether you're a new parent or shopping for a baby shower gift, this smart baby monitor is seriously impressive, easy to use, packed with features, and gives you peace of mind from anywhere. I'll drop the link in the description in case you're interested. Let me know in the comments what features matter most to you in a baby monitor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever I post a review. I'll see you in the next one.